Right.
Begin.
Hello. Welcome to the Radwood Festival at Bicester Heritage. Now, Radwood is all about celebrating the 80s and 90s, which is a fantastic era of cars. Everything here is right up my street. It's just started to rain, but you know, ho-hum. We're teamed in 80s gear. We're going to be doing some track driving. We're here with StarterMotor, and for this one we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go through the alphabet and find our favourite cars at the festival. So
There shall be 26 winners.
yes, hopefully. There might be a few letters that we can't.
We'll make up.
Cue the music.
A. The Alfa Romeo GT-V6.
B. The nondescriptive BMW 3 Series in its Vorsteiner DTM colours.
For C. This immensely angry in red Honda Civic. For the letter D. The DMC DeLorean.
For E, we're feeling fairly bold. We've got the Lotus Elise
The Elan.
and the Esprit.
F is for this rather beautiful Ferrari Testarossa. G is for who are you going to call? It's the Ghostbusters. It's massive! Goes on forever.
For H, it's the tiny Honda Beat.
I is for Ivan. Mr. Sarah Crabtree's Morris Ital, deemed here in brown with leopard print seats. And it's fantastic. That is just an era of different sauce, isn't it? J is for this beautiful Jaguar S-Type, which is on the StarterMotor fleet. If you wish to sign up for the StarterMotor Oh! Yes,
Right.
it's K. Stop it. It's K for the car that's sentient enough to tell you that it's alive. It's Knight Rider. It knows.
For L, it's the Lancia Delta in its camel colours. How cool is that? Bit of an oddball. For M, it's a Marcos LM. Very strange looking thing.
That. N is for Nissan. And this one in particular is an R34 Skyline, and isn't it fantastic? O is for oh dear, and oh dear is the noise you should presumably make as you slide towards the undergrowth. In this, it's another Nissan Skyline. P is not for Porsche, as you would presume. P is for something I think is far better. It's the Pontiac Transport GT, and it's fantastic in every single way. Q is for Quail, an extraordinary car event in which we are not attending. Q is for what those people over there are experiencing as they're trying to get into the event. And Q is for questioning. Something I would do to you should you purchase one of these, a Lincoln. R is for Renault. This is a beautiful blue Renault 4 minivan, and it's adorable. S is for Saab. This particularly lovely Saab 900 Turbo Cabriolet, which, come. Some beautifully judged text here. The sun, the moon, and the Saab. All three
I
the same.
love car owners. T is for TVR Tasman. Many T's. A car that would probably kill you. 3.5 litre, Rover V8. Yeah. I'm not too fussed. Are you fussed?
I like it.
I mean, it's cool. Go on then.
Huzzah.
U is for upset, which is what I am, because I have a Fiat and not this beautiful dark green E36 M3 cab. Is it going?
Aye.
Right, for V, we've got a Vauxhall Cavalier Caliber. Definitely the best name here.
And it looks fantastic.
Only 500 produced and finished in striking carmine red.
Mmm, delicious.
W is for one of my favourite cars. I've got a bit of an obsession with it at the minute. The Renault Clio Williams.
Y is for a yellow 996 Carrera. And Z, moving shot, keep on moving, is this purple tuned 350Z. Yes, we did actually
so
manage
there
to
we
find
go.
one
We
for
actually,
Z.
we actually found it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So there's the
now
alphabet.
X, what do we do for X?
Okay, viewers, you join me in a Ferrari Testarossa. It's actually a bit of a standout car here, and I shall tell you why with some numbers. And I promise you I have just been told these numbers. These aren't numbers that I know off the top of my head. I'm not claiming to know this. So there were 7,000...
7,071?
7, okay. There were 7,177 Testarossas made. There were only 438 right-hand drives, and this, there were only 8 in yellow right-hand drive, and this is the only one with cream and brown interior. I think we got that all right. But yes, the chaps just let me have a sit in it. It's the dog leg 5-speed gearbox. My feet going all the way over there. Yellow Testarossa. It's quite cool, really, isn't it? Yeah, I could have one of these quite easily.
Okay, so
This is going to hurt my arm.
this is going to be our outro, and this is where Al's arms are going to be tested because he's holding a big heavy camera on a gimbal. Great day in terms of, I wasn't born in the 80s and 90s, so in terms of giving me a feel for what it was like and what the cars were like, fantastic. Like, you can sort of see how cars sort of got a bit plumper, whether that be crash structure or whatever it is, but the design language is still just different enough that you can distinguish it from modern cars. They all stand for something else. They've turned the hangar into a fantastic sort of place. There's arcades and there's extreme skating and what's it called? Greek
food.
Yeah, I know, what is it?
I don't know, but it's
Whatever
been
they're
good. It's been a really cool event, actually. We hope to come back next year. My arm is starting to hurt. But yeah, it's been cool. We've met some cool people.
Car for the day.
Been out on track. Car for the day.
Car for the day.
Car for the day. Car for the day.
What was your car for the day? That yellow Testarossa was...
That yellow Testarossa was very cool. However, I'm going to go for the Clio Williams.
That was your pick?
Yeah, if I had to drive something home, and I had to drive it every day, come on. It's the coolest thing ever.
I'd go for the one of one yellow, brown and cream Testarossa.
Of course you would.
And there we are. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you've captured the vibe,
That's
the
quite
essence,
close.
and I hope you enjoyed our ABCs.
Oh yeah, let's hope when we get back to the edit we haven't missed one
As
out.
usual, we tried to keep it strictly professional.
Yeah, so ABCs, there we are.
Anyway.
But yes, thank you very much, Hagerty. Thank you to StarterMotor, and hopefully we'll see Radwood next year.
Aye. Goodbye.
Bye.